Deciding between an evaporative or ultrasonic humidifier? Meet Klarta, where our mission is to provide you with the cleanest, most eco-friendly, and elegantly designed home electronics. Evaporative humidifiers operate using a natural process. Air flows through a moistened filter, releasing only pure, clean moisture into your home. The method ensures that no minerals, bacteria, or impurities are dispersed into the air, something ultrasonic models can't always guarantee. UltraSonic humidifiers use high-frequency vibrations to create mist, but they can also release fine particles, including mineral dust from hard water, which might aggravate allergies or respiratory issues. At Klarta, our evaporative technology offers not just cleaner, healthier air, but also a more environmentally friendly approach. These models use less energy and require no added chemicals, making them the smart, sustainable choice for your home. Breathe better, live better with Klarta. Discover our collection at www.klarta.com. Make a greener choice for you and your home.